Welcome back to today's trade recap. Today we lost dollars. We lost 232. But it is okay. Also, retwist. My hair looks crazy. I have to set my hair down. If you're a dreadhead, you understand. If you're not, you don't understand. This is the execution. A little long to the upside. You know the vibes. Wait, why is it like this? Why is it like this? Stop loss was right here. A little long to the upside. Little one-to-one play. Okay, let's get into it. Let's get into the bias. Yeah, let's get into the bias. Okay, we have, so coming into the day, I was bearish. At like 1 a.m. I saw we were freaking dumping. It was like 12:30 actually. I saw we were, why am I lagging? Stop. Oh my gosh, why am I lagging? Dude, my mouse can't freaking move. Oh my gosh, it's like I'm not trying to contact help and support. Get this junk off my screen. Alrighty, problem is solved. Problem is solved. Okay, let's go. So what I wanted to see off open was I wanted to see price manipulate into this 4-hour and then for us to displace lower. And yeah, that was kind of all I wanted to see. And what we did is we pumped up into the 4-hour, and then I was like, okay, like this is good. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I really should have won a trade today. I don't know what I was doing. Well, actually, I kind of had good reason for fading this setup. So first setup we get brought with is a 30 seconds. Where is it at? Where's the 30 second? 30 second was like right here. Right here. It was like around here. There was a 30 second to this 15-minute unfilled, which then became a 30-minute unfilled. And I faded this because I don't like trading 30 seconds. I saw this though, and I was like, I should probably take this. But like, if it was a 1 minute, I would have taken it. But I really don't like trading 30 seconds. And this did play out. But like I just really do not like 30 seconds. And then we get a 1 minute inversion directly after that. Right here, get some good volatility. I entered a long position right here and targeting here and then targeting here. Now the downside to the first trade was, what was the junk? I don't really know. I really don't. I think the back model was pretty good. We get some liquidity generated. It was what I wanted to see off open. I really just don't like 30 seconds. I lose on a lot of them, and that's why I don't like them. So yeah, I don't really know. I just really do not like 30 seconds. I only like taking 30 seconds when there's internal manipulation, like when it's like, I don't know, I should have taken this. Like, let me just stop. I should have taken this. But we did have a big expansion move to the upside, so I didn't know if we were just about to inverse this gap. That's kind of why I faded it also. I don't like 30 seconds in. We just pumped. What's the face? 400 points. So I was questioning it, but yeah. Then we mitigate this 30-minute unfilled, and ES has mitigated something. I forgot what it was. 15-minute. That was the 15-minute. I was bouncing off a 15-minute. We were bouncing off 15 minutes. So I was like, okay, but that's never a reason to distribute. And I was like, okay, we get this 1 minute inversion, and then we get this move, and we get this play to the upside, and then we get stop rated. Now, the thing that is not good about this trade, one, is that you're targeting high resistance. But you can argue that this is low resistance because you just made this low inside a fair value gap, which would be high resistance. So just the draw was wrong. We still haven't ran that high. But yeah, that is kind of it for today. What to learn from this loss? I think it's more of a thing where it's like overall market structure, we're very bearish. So if you're gonna take a trade where it's IRL converting to LRL a lot, you want it to be for this instance, you want it to be a sell model because we're clearly like bearish and you're taking a long, but the long had like decent reasoning, but still I'm not that mad about this loss, to be honest, because it's like I feel like I had good reasoning for why, and I saw a lot of people take this trade. I saw, oh my gosh, PB Patty ended his win streak taking the same trade, so I'm really not that upset about this loss. But yeah, I'm just like, what's it face? My psychology is getting very, very good recently. Like I'm able to like endure a lot of losses and just like not really care. I'm down about a band right now, but it's chill. Like you're not gonna take money into the afterlife, so it's like just enjoy it while it's here on some junk. But yeah, that is going to be it for today's trade recap. I will see y'all boys tomorrow.